Now this is 3 times she's done this, and I just
Let's go potty.
see that. I just had her out and see what she does.
Let's go potty.
See that?
Let's go potty.
Look at her. I just brought her in.
Let's go potty. Let's go potty.
Girl, give me that. No. That's what she keeps doing.
Let's go potty.
See? I think she just likes to hear Kayla's voice. I think that's it. Yeah, she just likes to hear Kayla's voice. See, we just came in, didn't we? You girls were out there playing, weren't you? You were out there playing? Yeah, see, we were playing.
Let's go potty. 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 Let's go potty.
What you doing? Oh, you brought it to the rug, huh?
Let's go potty. Let's go potty.
Give me that.
Let's go potty.
That don't mean you're going out. You've been playing games with Grandma all day with these buttons. No, we're not playing. No more playing. Now she's looking for that red one. Thank you. Yeah, good girl. You're just exhausted from pushing so much, huh? No.